Edo State Governor Senator Monday Okpebholo don tok say im government go continue to promote peace, unity and security for di state. Im give dis assurance wen Muslim pipo waka come government house Benin City to greet am for Salah inside festival hall as dem dey celebrate Eid el Fitr. Di governor wey im deputy Right Honourable Dennis Idahosa represent welcome di Muslim community and come encourage dem say make dem hold di values of tolerance, peace and harmony wey dem learn during di 29 days Ramadan fasting. E come also condemn di wahala wey shele for Oromi and come assure dem say security pipo don get order to catch di pipo wey do di bad thing.
My brothers and sisters that are here today, on behalf of His Excellency, Distinguished Senator Monday Okpebholo, I welcome you to Government House, the government of the people. During this period of that you have fasted for 29 days, and the lessons learned during the fasting and prayers, please, let's continue to tolerate one another. And let there be peace and harmony in Edo State. Having said that, I also want to condemn strongly the actions of our brothers in Uromi. The state governor have instructed all the security agencies to ensure that those that were involved are brought to book. And let me also beg that you will continue to pray for those that lost their life in that process.
The chief imam of Benin Central Mosque, Alhaji Abdul Fatai Nabolele, wey talk on behalf of the Muslim community for Edo State, come hail the Okpebholo government for the achievements wey dem don record so far.
Your Excellency, sir, on behalf of the Muslim community in the state, I congratulate your administration for all the achievements recorded so far in the last 140 days. Today is making 140 days of administration in government. One of your greatest achievements in the last 140 days in government, which the people have acknowledged, is the political will which you have enacted in the business of governance. So I want to particularly thank your government in the following areas. In the area of security, your government has been able to exercise its political will to declare war on various court groups, which has led to drastic reduction in court-related killings. Now, when you look at what happened in Oromi recently, so a few days ago, you know, it's barbaric behavior. It is not in our character to kill human beings and point them. When we look at the area of jungle justice, why must people get up and take us into their hands?
The secretary to Edo State government, Umar Musa Ekilo, wey also tanda for the event, come thank the governor for the love, care and support wey im show Muslims, especially the palliatives wey dem give them. He come also praise the governor for the way he take show leadership, go the place where the wahala for shele, and even talk to the people.
We have shown enough appreciation to the government of His Excellency Senator Monday Okpebholo for the love and care and concern that he has shown the Muslim community like no other government has ever done since the inception of this democratic dispensation in 1999. And like the deputy governor said, there are many firsts in this government that has never happened before, whether it is the SSG or the chief of staff or even others who have been involved in the government of Senator Monday Okpebholo. We want to thank him immensely and want to assure him of the appreciation of the Muslim community. They are very grateful. And they are also grateful for the continuous generosity he continues to extend to them as well as the Arewa community. The governor demonstrated uncommon leadership in response to what happened in Uromi on Thursday, the 27th of March 2025. He demonstrated uncommon leadership by interacting with the community leaders.
Chief of Staff Gani Audu for his own talk come yarn say Islam na religion for peace, compassion and coexistence, and come strongly condemn the bad thing wey shele for Oromi. Say the Edo State government not happy at all and come pray say make Almighty Allah not let that kind bad thing happen again.
Islam is a religion of peace. Peace, compassion, and tranquility. Islam is a religion of peaceful coexistence. My dear brothers and sisters, I want to stand here today to condemn what happened at Uromi. We, the government of Edo State, we are not happy at all over what happened at Uromi. And we pray to Almighty Allah not to allow such a thing to happen again, now and in the near future. May Allah make Edo peaceful for all of us.
Make una not forget, say, as we see am, and so we dey talk am, we no dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Omo Ekayere, TMC News.